with a request that a special session should be convened on the current issue that is plaguing the state with regards to scrapping of 39A. The Honorable Governor exercises the powers to convene or to summon a session. Although the session is on the 6th of March, today with the deteriorating health of our MLA Viresh Borkar, urgently this needs to be discussed, debated. As earlier we said, with the guidance of a bill by Chief Justice Firdin Bab Rebello, who is also in touch with us and who had basically given us a bill to be put with regards to scrapping of these various sections in the Town and Country Planning Department. So we also told the Honorable Governor that this bill is very important when it comes to scrapping of certain land convergence that is happening in large scale. And Bab Firdin, I personally spoke to him and he has explained and we also request, when Bab Wenzi took the initiative, I think he last night he made an appeal to us as MLAs that we should come to meet the Honorable Governor. We told the Honorable Governor that this issue is very sensitive. There could be a law and order situation. Today, a lot of people are receiving threats. A lot of people are receiving, that cases will be filed and all this type of things. This is anti-democratic. We were peacefully protesting, and I believe that the need of the hour is to make sure that our colleague Bab Viresh Borkar, who's on a hunger strike, unto that, and this type of a strike definitely will take an effect on his organs. There could be an organ failure, there could be catastrophic effect on his health. So we requested the Honorable Governor that he intervenes immediately into this particular issue. See, there are, and तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांव सांगपाक सोदतां सगळे आमचे जावं NGO activists and all of you, that I think everyone is basically contributing. There are a lot of people who made videos trying to spot out differences. Finally, this fight is about everyone's contribution individually. I thank Bab Firdin Rebello for his contribution of through giving us a bill, explaining, creating awareness. I thank my colleagues for participating in the protest. I thank everyone. But the original idea is that we should not divert ourselves. The original issue is scrapping of this section, and immediately on health grounds because of Viresh, we have asked the Honorable Governor to make sure that the assembly is called.
सो आज आम्ही जेन्ना ऑनरेबल गव्हर्नराक अपॉइंटमेंट गेलो काल रातीको तो आसोना आनी तेका रातीकोळे सांगलो आमी की रातीको जाल्यार रातीको आमी सगळे येवपा रेडी आहाय पूण तेणें आज सकाळीं दिलो आमी सगळ्यांकूय कळीत केलें आनी आज जेन्ना आमी भितर वचून तेका एक्सप्लेन केलें की कित्याक गरज आहा आज सरकाराक सांगपाक गरज आहा की हें बिल हाट घेवपाक म्हणजे सरकारान घालपा जाय हाट घेवपाक आनी सरकारान घातो जाल्यार मार्चा 6 तारीख जातरी घालून फायदो ना कित्याक तेन्ना विरेशाक कितें जाता तें खबर ना सो तेका लागून अर्जंट तेणें आतां सरकाराक सांगचें की असेंब्ली सेशन घेवचें म्हूण एक अर्जंट एमर्जन्सी असेंब्ली सेशन घेवचें म्हूण आनी तितून सरकारान घालून तें बिल हाट घेवचें सो हें आमी तेका उलयलें तेणें आयकिलें आमचें उतर आयकिलें तेणें तेकाय खबर आहा कितें जाता तें आनी तेणें कन्सर्न सांगिल्ल्या की होय मनशा लायफ इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट ही हॅज सेड दॅट लायफ इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट वीच मिन्स ही एक्नॉलेजीस की मनीस मरोंक शकना आनी जावपा जायना हें अ पर्सन कॅनॉट डाय that too for Goa's issues Oshkon. So it is now the Honorable Governor's decision to tell the government and to take up an urgent assembly session. पण जे भाशेन LOPन सांगिला जाय ते चलता आनी जाय ते क्वेश्चन आन्सर जाताय पूण गोंयच्या लोकांक आमी सगळ्यांक अपील कोताय की लेट अस बी टुगेदर ऑन दीस इश्यू कितें डिफरन्सीस जावं कितें जावं आतां जाय ते जाणां आमकां मेसेज येताय की आमकां भितर घातले आमचे केस घातले, आमगे काम करपा नाही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीतले उलय ते 10 महिने रातसून जायत मेसेज येवपा लागले की ते दीस कोण गेल्ले रस्तो आडायल्लो आम फॉल्स हें घातले म्हण कितें बंगलो होल्ड म्हण थिंगा आनी केलो आम बंगलो कोणा गेलो होल्ड ना आम कांय केलो ना पूण आम गोंयच जमीन राखपा आम थिंग पावल्ले आनी गोंयच जमीन राखपा जर तर आम थिंग एजिटेशन घेवन थिंग जर तर आम पावले आनी आमकां जर तरी फोन येता हिंगा थिंगासून की भितर घातले आनी हें करतले म्हूण जाल्यार भितर घाले आनी सगलो गोंयच लोक वॉलंटरी येतलो भितर येवपाक तुमगे जेल देखून पावपा ना सो तुमकां जर तर दिसता आमचे कंप्लेन घालपा जाय हेज्या पयलें तुम कोर्शियाचेर आमचे कंप्लेन घालन आमचे केस गायलो आय आम अजून झगडाय त्यो केसो सनबर्नाकूय लागून तुमकां गायलो आय आज 39A लागून गोंयच आख्खो जनता रेडी आहा आनी आम जर तर गोंयच जनतेक उल मारलो ज्या दिसा तुम आम हे भाशेन अशें करून थ्रेट दिताय ते भाशेन म्हाका दिसता गोंयच जनता ओग रावपा ना गोंयच लोक ओग रावपा ना आनी हो जो आवाज तुम जे सप्रेस करूं सोदताय की आमकां समज धमकी दिन की आमगे काम करपा नाय आनी हें करपा नाय काम आनी करपा गरज ना गोंयच जरी तरी जमीन पळय सद्या साल्वा करपा जाय जाल्यार काम मागीर तुगे ती डांबोर घालपाचें आनी ट्यूबलायट घालपाची जी काम आहाय ती पयलीं सगल्यांगेली बंद देखून केल्या जाताय तुमी पूण इम्पॉर्टंट इज हें कन्वर्जन जे शेतां आनी हें सगलें आहा तें घोट दवरपाक गरजेचें आनी म्हाका दिसता गोवा इज वॉचिंग Goa is not going to keep quiet and people of Goa are going to come out in large numbers if you all take any step against anyone. If you all try to bulldoze and put your power with the machinery आमचेर घालपा आनी आम पोसोवपा आनी आम समज थ्रेट करपाक which complaints आनी police complain जाल्यार I think आम तरी सोय आहा ती तुमगे घेवपाक but I think people of Goa are not going to keep quiet. People of Goa are going to react and people of Goa are not going to leave the all this time.
See, just before that, I'd just like to add that what you saw was truly a movement where a legislator fought for his villagers. Now, what you can see is there'll be a lot of twists and turns, a lot of allegations, a lot of this is the speciality about this Bharatiya Jumla Party. As Jumla anda जायत करू शकतले थिंगा फायल नाच जालें आनी कितें जालें तें पयलीं कांय तेंगे भायर सरो ना आज सगळे जायत जातले बेन्झीन एश केलें युरीन तेश केलें क्रुजान एश केलें आनी कोणान एश केलें विजयान एश केलें एल्टनान तेश केलें कालुसान तेश केलें विरेशान एश केलें मनोजान एश केलें ऑल दीस थिंग्स वाल्मिकी विल बी दीस दैट सो बट वी आर टुडे टुगेदर इन वन इंटरेस्ट basically and I request all the other people as well, all the other activists, NGOs, press reporters also and social activists that we should basically make sure that pressurize this government to make sure that this section is scrapped.
So you mean to say that 10 files are not missing?
What?
PM told you 10 files are missing from the TCP office.
See, that whether files are missing or not missing, that had to come yesterday and not after several days of the agitation. That is a big question mark. So these type of jumlas, tomorrow they will say several other things. They will give threats and whatever. But we are doing it for Goans. And Goa is watching. Till today there was nothing. There was no file missing. Venzi was good, Yuri was good, Cruz Bab was good. Everyone were good. Now you will see a lot of their drama and tactics. But just to tell them that we, as long as the people of Goa are with us, we are not worried about these tactics.
So what assurance that governor has given?
No, governor has heard us and we have told him that he has the powers to convene. He has said that he would discuss with the government and try and use his powers. This is what we cannot see. He's the custodian of the entire state, and the law and order situation today. He's got powers that he can call for a session. It has happened in the past because we can lose a life of a legislator. There are two people who are on a hunger strike. Both of them could lose their lives.
Yuri Bab, yesterday ruling legislators met. We expected a discussion on 39A, but unfortunately all allegations and accusations came.
See, you will see a lot of these allegations. A lot of these allegations in the past were also made against leader of opposition. When leader of opposition was Michael Lobo, what allegations were made on him? And now what has happened? So when you go towards the BJP, you are put into a washing machine and you become Saaf Sutra. Now there are all the stains. We are carrying the message of the common man. All of these things are expected in politics, especially the Bharatiya Janata Party, who are known for these theatrics. They will make a lot of allegations and all these type of things. We are quite confident that the people are watching and the people know what is the truth.
So when the government said, or the CM said that we'll discuss on 39A, do you think that will not be in
No,
their mind?
see, what happens is, the most important thing is when there is a session. It's not that we didn't discuss. When this bill was bought, we walked in the well. When he was manhandled, we didn't file a case or anything. We were put out, completely out of the assembly. It's not that we didn't discuss. The thing is that on the 16th of Feb, I tabled a bill. Several other legislators also simultaneously tabled. And discussion on that bill, which clearly states that this needs to be admitted, or the government gets another bill, take a cabinet decision and scrap the current bill. That is our only demand.
But it is possible to scrap 39A, no?
Why is it not possible? Why is it not possible? They scrapped 16B. They scrapped it. Regional plan was scrapped during the. They scrapped the Bhumiputra bill. So all these bills, and so many bills were bought midnight. They kept them pending. They did all this, no? So why can't they do it for Goa? If they really love Goa, they should do it.
When the chief minister has said that they can scrap from Sanandre, then that means there is a window actually. That means it can be scrapped all over Goa. That is one thing. And the फायली मिसिंग जाल्या म्हणटा 2021 हाचो रिकॉर्ड केला जेन्ना लोकांनी अशेच थोडे इल्लीगल प्रोजेक्ट टीसीपीन अप्रूव्ह केल्ल्याचे रेज केल्ले तेन्ना टीसीपीन सांगलेल्यो त्यो फायली मिसिंग आसा म्हणून. सो टीसीपीन फायली मिसिंग जावप कॉमन फिनोमिना. आणि त्याच प्रमाणे जो आज प्रोटेस्टरांक काल धमक्यो दिला केसी घालतले कितें घालतले म्हणून म्हाका याद दिवपाक सोदता. आनी काल जे बीजेपीचे लेजिस्लेटर्स ते बोवाळ करताले आनी प्रेशरायज करताले की केसी घालच्यो सगळ्यांचेर एक्शन घेवचे. आमी तरी प्रोटेस्टरांनी आनी गोंयच्या लोकांनी वचून टीसीपी मिनिस्टरचे भायर पीसफूल प्रोटेस्ट केला. कोणें ताचे झाडाचे पान आनी फूल सुद्दां थंय तोडूंक ना. जाल्यार टीसीपी मिनिस्टर मायकल लोबोची हॉटेलां म्हणपाक गेल्लो आनी जीत आरोलकराची घरां म्हणपाक गेल्लो. हें तुमी रिकॉर्ड करा आनी चॅक करा ताणें म्हणलां काय ना तें. जाल्यार तातूंत मानसिकतेचो विचार आसा. आमी गोंयचो विचार करून सगळे गोंयकार गेल्ले. ताचे फाटल्यान काय तुमकां वॉशिंग मशिनान घाले. तांचे कडेन व्हडलें वॉशिंग मशीन आतां एलोपीन सांगलेले प्रमाणे. तर त्या वॉशिंग मशिनान घालून आमी जर कोणाची घरां मोडपाचो कोणाची हॉटेलां मोडपाच्यो धमक्यो दिवंक ना. पण हें करता आसतना गोंयकारांक जर तो भिवपाक सोदता केसी घालतले आनी एनएसए लायतले आनी कितें करतले जाल्यार सांगपाक सोदता की सालाजाराची राजवटीक सुद्दां हे गोंयकारांनी हें दिली फायट दिली आनी थंयच्यान भायर सरले. जाल्यार हाजी हे सालाजार बीजेपीच्यान गोंयकार भिवपाचे ना. केसी न्हय तुमी आमच्या छातयेचेर गुळयो सुद्दां जर मारले जाल्यार हो मुवमेंट डावन जावपाचो ना आनी गोंयकार फाटल्यान सरपाचे ना.
काल बीजेपीन सगळे ऑपोजिशन एमएलएंक स्पेशल डिस्कशन ऑन 39A डिस्कस करपाक आपयले. सो दीस शोज दॅट दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज ऑलरेडी ऑन इट्स नीज अँड ते ऑलरेडी भिलेले आसा. सो आतां ते भाशेन युरीन सांगला दे वील ट्राय वेरियस टॅक्टिक्स टू dislodge this protest and they will try to divide Goans on various ways. So हांव एकूच अपील करता आमच्या गोंयकारां कडेन हो लढो आतां सांत आंद्रे पुरती उरोंक ना. इट इज ऑल गोवा, ऑल ओवर गोवा. ऑल गोवन्स आर कमिंग. I will request all Goans to stay united. Don't get misled by various news on social media. Come together, come in support of all. As to Ms. Poita, we are not come here as any party and all, though it is all party delegation that has come to meet the governor. We are come as colleagues, we are come as friends, we are come as Goenkars. So I again appeal to the people of Goa, stay together, stick together, let's put this government on immense pressure. They are already on their feet, they are already on their knees, so it's time that this 39A goes from Goa.
But today misleading is
There are a lot of on social media. I said on social media. I'm not talking about any media. I'm talking on social media, Facebook and all.
With regards
A lot
to
of
the RGP,
not regarding RGP, regard to various other things that somebody is trying to do something. Somebody's trying to it's a party-led protest and all these things. So these are misleading facts.
See, it is a movement of everyone.
It's a people's movement.
Yeah, it's a people's movement, and we thank everyone for giving their inputs, and this is a continued fight. So we thank the Enough is Enough, Firdin Bab Rebello, for initiating it, other NGOs, other activists, Swapnesh, everyone, all the political parties in the opposition also. And we have to do this together. Initiated, then once it needs to be processed, and we need the end result. The end result is scrapping of the 39A, which we are all awaiting for.
Has Justice reached out to you all? Justice Rebello?
No, he spoke to me. He spoke to me not yesterday, but initially also. We basically spoke on the bill, and he also told us that as MLAs, he's coming on the 1st to 2nd. So whatever briefing or whatever we need or whatever support we need, and I thank him. आमचो नीज कुगोळ काढतो आणि एक क्रांतीचे रगत तेच्या भितर आसा आणि तेणे एक इनिशिएटिव्ह जी घेतलेली आसा, क्रांती पेटयलेली आसा. वी आर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ इट. वी थँक हिम फॉर हिज गायडन्स अँड टेकिंग एव्हरीवन अलॉंग. We require everyone's support. It cannot be initiated by a certain individual. This is a people's movement. The people will take it forward, and once the people take it forward, we are going to move where the people take it.
वाल्मिकी तुमचो नॅशनल लिडर केजरीवाल गोंयान येयलो सो तेका दिसलें ना की आमदाराक मेळो कसो.
सॉरी
केजरीवाल गोंयान येवन गेलो पळय सो तो
ना पळय ही हॅड कम टू गोवा फॉर अ स्पेसिफीक रिजन. काल आमचे बाणावलेच्या आमदाराचें एक फंक्शन आशिल्लें आनी देर ही हॅज ऑलरेडी मेड हीज स्टँड व्हेरी क्लियर. ही हॅज फुल्ली सपोर्टेड दीस एजिटेशन आणि इनफॅक्ट तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें की ही ऑल्सो मेड द फर्स्ट टायम द रिक्वेस्ट दॅट सिन्स दीस मॅटर इज ऑफ अर्जन्सी अ स्पेशल असेंब्ली सेशन शूड बी कॉल्ड. सो डेफिनेटली तांचो ह्या हातून फूल सपोर्ट आसा. See, the matter is very simple. CM himself has agreed that he is ready to scrap 39A आणि इतलेच म्हणा की ताका टायम लागतलो and it has to be done in the right forum. What is the forum? Assembly. But assembly session is on the 6th and time is of the essence कित्याक विरेश बोरकार is on a hunger strike, आमरण उपोशणाचेर. So our action here today is simply to fulfill the CM's wishes only, that he is ready to scrap.
प्रश्न विचारला एक 5 मिनटां विदेशा फुड्यान येवन वचपाक तेका टायम नाशिल्लो.
No, see, he's still in Goa. Whether he will come or not, we will let you know. But the issue is that he has given his full support. He has given some good direction also to this agitation. Let me just complete because सध्या कितें आसा न्ही, विरेश is on a hunger strike. अशें दिसूंक जायना की we are using, the people around him are using Viresh. Viresh has a mind of his own. Every day that we go there, we are not telling him to continue the fast. We are telling him to get off the fast. Please understand that. आणि आमीच न्ही, 100 लोक डेली येतात आणि ताका रिक्वेस्ट करतात, ताचे समोर रडटात लोक की बंद कर म्हणून तुजो फास्ट. यू हॅव डन इनफ म्हणटा. ही हॅज अ माइंड ऑफ हिज ओन. ही हॅज डिसायडेड ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप टिल हिज डिमांड इज मेट. आणि ताणें स्टार्ट केल्लें तेन्ना ताणें उदक सुद्दां पिवंक ना. ही वॉज इन अ व्हेरी डेंजरस सिच्युएशन. सो सीएमाक आमी सांगूंक सोदता टू टेक दीस व्हेरी सिरियसली. ही मायट बी थिंकींग दॅट दीस इज सम तमाशा गोईंग ऑन and that we want to extend this. We don't want to extend this. That is why we have come here. It is an emergency situation. The CM must understand this and cooperate.
प्रश्न कितें एकलो आतां गोंयान आसा, एकलो काय ना काय येवचो ना काय थंयसरूच फक्त तो.
See, the important issue is not whether Mr. Kejriwal visits Azad Maidan or not. The important issue is whether 39A is scrapped or not. If it is required for him to visit to achieve that, then if CM sir says that if Kejriwal visits and then he'll scrap, then we will bring him there, no problem. What is the issue? Issue is not Mr. Kejriwal. Issue is whether 39A is going to be scrapped or not. If CM sir is going to give the commitment, तो थंय आयलो जाल्यार आपण स्क्रॅप करता आमी आतां हाडया मरे ताका. He is still in Goa. So let us focus on the issue.
This files they are missing. Are you going to check? Is it files which are misplaced by DCP or missing? They are calling it. Is it बारीक लोकांचे फाईल कितें बिल्डराचे फाईल आहे चेक
एक सरकारान कोणे मिसिंग जाल्या म्हणून सांगला पळय ताजी डिटेल्स ताणें सांगप न्ही. ऑपोजिशन कशें सांगतले ते कळटलें न्ही खंयच्यो मिसिंग जाल्या ते सांगूं दी मरे मागीर कळटलें.
सर एक फोटो काढूया सर.
मातशें